Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. There isn't a direct Cash App Apple Pay button, but you can link your Cash Card to Apple Pay and use it that way. Tap the Cash Card tab on the Cash App and then tap Add to Apple Pay. Follow the prompts until you see a confirmation screen that your Cash Card is linked. Now, whenever you pay with Apple Pay, funds will be pulled from your Cash App balance via the Cash Card. There is also a second method which is long, which transfer to your bank, then Apple Pay. In the Cash App, tap the Banking tab, then select Cash Out, then choose an amount, select Instant or Standard Deposit. Open the Wallet app on iPhone, then tap your Apple Cash Card, then Add Money. Choose the same bank you cashed out to and confirm. Know your money is available in Apple Pay. Just a tip, the first method, which is adding Cash Card to Apple Pay, is faster because it skips the middle step of moving money through your bank. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.